Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make real money on PayPal fast and free. The website that we'll be looking at is freecash.com, as you can see right here. And this website, you can use it both on your mobile and on your PC. And the thing that I love about it is you can make money using this website from anywhere in the world. Yes, from anywhere in the world. Once you have access to PayPal, you will be able to earn money. Also, I will be showing you how to maximize your earning using this website, so be sure to stick around until the end. It's completely easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is type in freecash.com on your device, and you can sign up with your email address and create a password. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And from here, you will see offers that are popular in your area, as you can see right here. So you can select any one of these offers and you can get to work. The thing that I also like about this is it's completely legit. So yes, you will be able to truly withdraw your money via PayPal, and also you can withdraw it via crypto token. So you can select any one of these offers. For example, if you're a fan of the WWE, you could simply select WWE right here, and you will see the requirements: play WWE Champions, an immensely challenging World Wrestling Entertainment mobile game. So you'll simply play the game, make a purchase, redeem your points, new users only, and for that you will earn $1. One thing that I should also tell you is, depending on the country or region that you are in, the offers will vary. So for example, if you are in America, Canada, or the United Kingdom or Australia, you will see offers that pays a lot better than this. So for example, you will see offers up to $50 or $100 to do something. Yes, it's like that. But because I'm in the Caribbean, as you can see right here, I'm located in Jamaica. Majority of my offers, my max offers, the most I can expect, as you can see right here, is $5. But that is still good money to simply play a game or do something, as you can see right here. To play Disney Emoji Blitz, I'll be able to earn $5.74. And after you have earned some money, you will simply go over to the top right hand corner, as you can see right here. And by the way, a thousand points equal $1. So for example, if I should tap on show coins, you can see that 60 coins equals 6 cents. And once you have earned some money and you want to do some withdrawal, you can simply tap on cash out. And from here, you could select PayPal if you would like to get paid via PayPal, or you could select Bitcoin or Ethereum if you would like to get paid via crypto token. So I'll select PayPal right here, and you can see that the minimum threshold to withdraw money using PayPal is $5. And yes, it's legit. I've seen where numerous persons have used this website and have withdrawn their money. So you'll simply select the $5 if you have earned $5, and you will enter your PayPal account, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use freecash.com to make real PayPal money fast and easy.